81 North southbound access road, immediately entered the highway at the next available entrance ramp and continued to drive to the reported address. After gathering the incident details, I viewed where the bullet made entry on victim's vehicle.
There's no way we could talk to each other. There was no way in that traffic. And
Okay, when I say talking to each other, I know you all are not, hey, how's your day going? Or, forget you or whatever. But I know that when people are driving and they're angry, people can tell that you're shouting at them. You may not know what's being said. I'm sure people were shouting profanities. So I'm not saying there was a conversation where you got the noun, the verb, and the adverb and the adjective, and it was a complete sentence. But from what I'm reading, there was shouting going on. And you're saying no.
I mean, she was behind me the whole time. I wish there was camera footage that I was told that was out, but I mean, if there was camera footage, you could see that she was behind me the entire time for miles, and then got onto my daughter's side, which I tried my best to speed up and maneuver or do whatever I could to get her on my side. It wasn't happening. You know what I mean? And I didn't cut her off at that specific light to keep going straight. There's only a one lane to the left for everybody else who wants to take that lane and get off and get on 281. She was on her freaking phone.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up
and didn't go for. My truck is a huge 1500 truck. It's huge. It's at least two of her cars.
And you were upset that she was on her freaking phone.
No. I was not upset at all. I was having a very good day. All I did was went around her and proceeded to go. That's all I did. I just
because she was on her freaking phone.
I proceeded to go. I just took the light because it's a very.
But it was because she was on her freaking phone.
That I could see.
It was a bad situation. These road rage things are scary. I hate road rage situations, and this one ended in the worst possible way, and there's no way to minimize that. He sees that now. There's no excuse or no justification for what happened. But the issue is, do we send him to prison for it or place him on probation? I think the fact that you don't have someone in front of you who's not taking care of his kids, his family, working. In fact, he took custody of a 1-year-old little girl that girl's mother didn't even care about by himself through 6, 7 years old. And then with the help of his new wife, till now, that girl is flourishing. AB student, involved in athletics, loves her father. Her father's there for her. Is the perfect father by all accounts, and I don't see any reason why we would disbelieve the witness we heard from. Because of that, I think there's conditions of a probation to be sure that address this anger issue that he would have. Maybe a psychological counseling. There's in the pre-sentence report you've seen with this bipolar issue that maybe some medication. But there's more use to society outside with his family than there is to lock him up.